Hello everyone and welcome back to ForB's English Lesson video. My name is Richard and today we're going to take a look at a video and I'd like you to guess what's happening. Are you ready? Let's take a look. Could you guess what's happening? There are two ways. The first way is he is rolling the dice. He is rolling the dice. The second way is he is throwing the dice. He is throwing the dice. Alright, so when you see someone playing a game, they are throwing or rolling the dice. Also, another example is in Las Vegas. You'll see people throwing or rolling the dice. Alright? Alright, so let's practice these sentences together. Please repeat after me. He is rolling the dice. Great. He is throwing the dice. Great. So now you know how to describe this action. My name is Richard. Remember to please click like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.